Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to play a really great game called Compare. So you can start this game out with a child as young as 3 years old, right? So with all of our card games, what we're going to do is first mix up the cards. We don't want to cheat, right? And then we're going to divide the cards among the players. Now this is a great activity to let your child do once they get the hang of it. Like one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me. That's dividing, right? And then we can count our cards and see if we both have the same. But in this game, we want to make sure that the children are not looking at the cards, right? This is not that kind of card game. So once each person has their pile of cards, then what we do is we decide, are we going to play who has the most or who has the least? And that's all great vocabulary for kids to learn. That's about mathematics, right? So we each turn over a card and we say our number. I have 5 and you have 6. So which is larger? Which is a greater number? All of that great vocabulary we use is great to use here. So we will have to teach the kids not to count if they need to count on the card, not to count the little symbols, just to count the big ones. So you can count with your child, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now at first they may need to touch each one, but obviously the object is, with time and practice, they're going to look at that and say that's 6. Look at this and say that's 5. And then you're comparing the two, right? Don't be afraid to have your child use their fingers, right, if they need to figure out if 5 is bigger or 6 is bigger, or to count from 1 up. Some of these number concepts take some time to develop, so be patient with your child. This should be fun, right? And that's the game called Compare. So we're just going to keep playing and comparing numbers. If whoever has the most wins. If you do have a situation where you both have the same card, then what we do is, depending on how many we have left in our deck, we'll decide we'll each put 2 down and then turn over the third, or maybe we'll just put 1 down. Oh, we got the same number again. So we're gonna have to decide what to do. So you have 2 cards left and I only have 1. So let's just turn over 1 more card and see who wins. Oh, I won. So that means I get all these cards. So that's something that the kids, games are also great because we have to learn how to be gracious in winning and not to get upset when we lose. So games are a great tool for social emotional learning as well. So thank you for watching.